Hey friends, in our today's podcast, we'll talk about debt management tips. Debt alleviation refers to persons who consistently take responsibility for their debt reduction initiatives. Learning the basics of bookkeeping is the first step towards consolidating your debt into more manageable installments. When you take care of your debt in a methodical manner, you will be able to keep a stable cash flow, a good credit score, and stay on top of any upcoming financial obligations. How do you consolidate debt using efficient debt management strategies? By creating a checklist and determining which debts need to be serviced first, you can focus on one item at a time until all of them are paid, at which point you can begin the process all over again. When looking for a debt consolidation plan that works, make sure to start small and conquer your major conflicts before moving on to little squabbles. Making a list helps you picture the work at hand and understand where you stand. Then repeat the process, starting with the account with the highest interest rate variable and working your way down to the lowest. The higher your debt's interest rate, the faster it can spiral out of hand and consume you. When seeking to service your debt, be sure to look into various choices available to you. For example, you might use the equity in your home to pay off your debt, apply for a personal loan, or look into lowering the rate on your credit cards with balance transfers. Be careful to look into all your possibilities, since you might be shocked at what you find. Another option worth considering when creating a debt management strategy is to use what is known as the snowball method. The snowball method entails doubling payments to your lowest balance. Let us look at another option that goes against the grain. Servicing the lowest balance accounts frees up capital that might otherwise be directed elsewhere. Keeping the momentum rolling, double or triple the payments on your second lowest balance and pay it off. This strategy has a significant psychological impact by instilling discipline and energy in the notion of setting an outstanding debt, regardless of the balance or interest rate, and thereby freeing up capital that may be used elsewhere. The snowball method has benefits because it shows your creditors that you are able and willing to service your debts with larger payments, and now is the time to contact them and request a meeting to negotiate a more favorable repayment structure and interest rate, or even a personal loan to consolidate your debt. You have nothing to lose by looking into consolidating your current accounts into a single low-interest loan. Once you have paid off all your bills, make sure you stick to good debt management habits and stay on top of things. Maintain a modest credit card balance by paying the entire month's debt rather than the minimum balance, because credit cards are the most expensive type of credit and the simplest to lose control of. Thanks for listening. Visit us at https://mylearningcenter.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube.